Ladies and gentlemen, in the red corner we have the Silurian hypothesis. In the blue, the ancient astronaut theory.
These are two distinct concepts that both deal with the possibility of advanced civilizations existing on Earth either before humans or very early in humanity's development. But they approach this idea from very different perspectives and levels of scientific rigor. The Silurian hypothesis is a thought experiment proposed by scientists Adam Frank and Gavin Schmidt in 2018. Now, to me, the term thought experiment conjures up visions of a scientist in the shower going, "Hey, what if..." And if the notion gains traction, that's later dignified as a thought experiment. This one explores the question of whether it would be possible to detect evidence of an advanced industrial civilization that might have existed on Earth tens or hundreds of millions of years ago, long before humans evolved. The key points are it's a scientific exploration of how we might detect such a civilization in the geological record. The hypothesis doesn't claim that such a civilization actually existed. It focuses on potential indirect evidence like climate changes, sediment anomalies, or traces of spent nuclear waste or materials like plastics or alloys. The aim is to identify technosignatures that could persist over millions of years. And in case you wondered, yes, the name is inspired by a fictional species from Doctor Who, not implying an actual Silurian-era civilization. Indirectly, this concept is also one of the possible solutions to the so-called Fermi paradox, which is usually framed as, if life is abundant in the vast universe, where is everyone? In this explanation, while there may indeed be abundant intelligent life, we may not all be living in the same time periods. For example, if a civilization rises and falls in, say, 20 or 30,000 years, that's a very small slice of time to be active when one considers the age of the universe. So it would be quite easy to miss each other, so to speak. Even though Homo sapiens have been around for maybe 300,000 years according to the latest estimates, human civilization is only 10 to 12,000 years old. So the possibility could arise that perhaps one or more civilizations rose and fell over the past few million years. This might be true on other planets too, where intelligent life may also exist or have existed. The ancient astronaut theory, on the other hand, is a concept that proposes extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in the distant past and influenced human civilizations. Now, this theory is generally not accepted by mainstream archaeologists or historians, and often claims or infers that aliens helped build ancient structures like pyramids or taught advanced knowledge to early humans. It often interprets some ancient artwork and texts as evidence of extraterrestrial contact, and has been popularized by authors like Eric von Daniken and various television shows. History Channel, we're looking at you. While both ideas deal with the possibility of advanced civilizations predating modern humans, they differ significantly. The Silurian hypothesis is a legitimate scientific thought experiment, while the ancient astronaut theory is usually described as pseudoscience. The Silurian hypothesis considers the possibility of an Earth-based civilization, while the ancient astronaut theory focuses on extraterrestrial visitors. The Silurian hypothesis looks at much deeper timescales, millions of years, whereas the ancient astronaut theory typically focuses on more recent history, thousands of years. The Silurian hypothesis proposes looking for indirect geological evidence, while the ancient astronaut theory often relies on reinterpreting archaeological findings and ancient texts. The Silurian hypothesis aims to improve our methods for detecting past civilizations, potentially aiding in the search for extraterrestrial life too. The ancient astronaut theory attempts to explain human achievements and religious beliefs through extraterrestrial intervention. While both concepts explore ideas about advanced civilizations predating known human history, they are fundamentally different in their approach, supposed scientific validity, and implications. The Silurian hypothesis serves as a thought-provoking scientific exercise, while the ancient astronaut theory is more speculative and sensational, which is why it's kind of fun, to be honest. Hey, I hope that was a little interesting for you. We'll catch you next time and take care. Bye.